Hello friends, become a temporary actor to improve your English language. If you are willing to improve your English language, first of all, think an idea that write a script of 4 or 5 minutes. A comics that may be comic or may be reforming. Write down that in your national language. When you write that skit in your national language, then try to translate that skit into English language by yourself. When you will try to translate that sentence in English language, those are written in your skit, then your mind will work towards translating the things in English language from your national language. Then when you complete your this step of translation, then you need some friends, maybe one friend or two friends, those are in characters. Then try to rehearse those dialogues with your friends. One sentence you will speak, the other sentence your friend will speak in dialogue shape, such as that, hello, where are you going? The other person will say that whosoever wants to join a picnic party, he can deposit 1,000 or any amount. In this way, when you will speak in dialogue shape, then you will improve your English language. Then rehearse, then do your exercise again and again. In this way, those dialogues, the whole skit will be the part of your memory. And finally, arrange gather some your family member or friends and perform that skit in front of those. When you will perform, you will get rid of hesitation, because some people feel hesitation while doing the things. And again, when you think that right now you are able to perform this skit in proper way, then write another skit and do the same exercise again. In this way, you will improve your English language very soon, and you will get rid of your hesitation also. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.